Mahindra Group has taken the content route in order to dispel the misconceptions around education for the girl child. Taking a fresh view on the phrase "Ladki haath se nikal jayegi," the digital-heavy campaign kicked off with a short film. Buzz Content caught up with Mahindra Group CMO Vivek Nair to talk about the rationale behind taking content route for the initiative. How focused is Mahindra on the content marketing front?
So I think content marketing is perhaps the most important topic today for any marketer, especially in the field of social media, where you can put out a lot of content. But the important question that a marketer needs to ask is the content relevant to the target audience that he or she is targeting? So if the relevance is there, if the context is right, then content will be accepted. There is a pull. Otherwise, you're just throwing money and throwing content at people who are really not interested. And social media, digital media allows you to do that because you can target people on digital and social much more than traditional media. So it all goes hand in hand.
You partnered with Terribly Tiny Tales to drive content around the campaign. So what works better for you, text or video?
Sometimes both work hand in hand because when you make a film, which is what we did in the previous campaign, the But This Is Not Enough campaign, we put out the film, but then to create a bigger impact, a wider impact, you create a surround around the film, right? And as part of that surround, that time we went to Terribly Tiny Tales. In fact, we are using them this time as well. So with this new campaign, Ladki Haath Se Nikal Jayegi, we are again using Terribly Tiny Tales because we think they add a lot of value. They bring in a perspective and they try and tell the story in a very crisp manner. And it helps create that whole 360-degree surround around our campaign. So, which is why we use that.
Why no TV for a larger scale for such initiative?
I am more interested in reaching the right kind of audience. And in this campaign, as you know, we've talked about Nanhi Kali, our the NGO that Anand himself started a couple of decades back to support girl child education, and we take up this topic because we believe very strongly in this topic, and this actually came about through the process of a social media listening exercise. So we listened to conversations happening on social media over a period of 6 months, millions of conversations, and we discovered that the topic of girl child education was one of the top topics. And because we anyway support Nanhi Kali, we said it is very apt that we make a film, make a campaign on this and try and make impact in society, try and change society. Not many brands can attempt to do that. And I think we are humble and we are grateful that we have the ability to, and the credibility and the trust of the people to make it happen. And that's what we're trying to do.
How is content marketing helping brands in taking up larger social and humanitarian causes?
I'm not sure a lot of brands are doing it. Some brands are doing it, and I'm not sure how many brands are doing it at scale. And in our case, we not only make a film, we put a whole 360-degree surround around it. We actually support Nanhi Kali not from today. I mean, the campaign is launching today, but this movement, which Nanhi Kali started, is a couple of decades old, and we've been supporting Nanhi Kali for many years. We've been talking about girl child education for many years. It's just that with this campaign, we are trying to turn this phrase "Ladki haath se nikal jayegi" on its head, because all of us have heard this phrase. I mean, we've seen it in Bollywood movies, we've seen it in our homes, in people that we know. And when we did focus groups with women before we made the campaign, there were women from urban India, cities, who said, yes, this has happened to me.
What are the challenges you see in the content marketing space?
I think content is important for every brand, every category. It's important for everything that we do. It's important for brands, it's important for movies, it's important for entertainment, music. Content is king, as they say. But not everyone makes the right content. I mean, there's a lot of trash, there's a lot of bad content which is also put out. So it's important to make good content, which is, as I said, relevant, which touches the audience, which reaches the right audience. And, even targeting is a very, very important subject for marketers. You can't just throw content at everyone. The content has to reach the right target audience. So even for this campaign, we are targeting people who have a positive affinity to Mahindra, a positive affinity to social causes, a positive affinity to girl-child education. So we are doing it very, very targeted. We are not going mass. But at the same time, we are going scale. Because, in India, we will find, I think, at least 15-20 million people who we can target with this campaign. And so we want to do it at scale, but in a very targeted manner, in a very smart manner.
Aren't brands shifting focus to content in order to position themselves as purposeful?
I think there is no shift. It is, as a brand, it depends on what message you want to give. So, we as a group, we are on TV. We have a lot of TV advertising to sell our products and services. We do a lot of print. We also do a lot of social media. So as a brand, you have to be present on multiple platforms and be where your consumers are. So wherever your target consumer is, whatever your objective is for whatever you're doing, you choose your media platforms accordingly. Yeah.